Hello prospectors! In this video I'm going to show you how to make composites in Icarus. Now composites is actually a result of an item being smelted down in the electric furnace into its refined version. So you only need to unlock the blueprint of its unrefined version in the tech tree. Over on your tech tree inside the tier 4 section you can find the blueprint for composite paste just right after the material processor. We have done a video of how to make the material processor in the channel, so if you haven't made your own yet, then I recommend checking that video out if you want to learn more. Now, composite paste can only be crafted using the material processor, and there are two different recipes available for it. The first recipe requires 2 iron ore, 1 silica ore, 1 organic resin, and gold ore. The second recipe is almost identical, using the same first 3 materials, but replacing gold ore with platinum ore. So there really isn't much difference between the two recipes, and you won't need to run all over the map looking for completely different materials. Since most of the ores required for these recipes can be found naturally inside caves, I won't go into too much detail about them. The only material worth mentioning is organic resin, with 1 wood and oxite. Once you've gathered everything you need, just toss the materials into the material processor and craft your composite paste. Once you're done crafting, place the paste inside the electric furnace and just wait for it to be turned into composites. And that's about it on how to craft composites in Icarus.